Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 Pro and Moto X4. Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. Base variant starts at 14,000 rupees for 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Next variant is priced at 17,000 rupees for just 6GB of RAM. Currently I'm using the 4GB RAM variant in this video. Moto X4 sports a Snapdragon 630 processor with Adreno 508 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. So guys, Redmi Note 5 Pro was 13 seconds faster than Moto X4, which is a huge lead. Now let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and exactly how fast it is when compared to the other phone. For some system apps like the Play Store and the Gmail, Moto was faster, and for the rest of the third-party applications like Facebook, Instagram and games, Note 5 Pro was noticeably faster than Moto X4. So in the speed test, Redmi Note 5 Pro is the winner. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. By the way, I'm using the 3GB RAM variant of Moto X4 and the 4GB RAM variant of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Memory management on Redmi is really awesome. It was able to keep more than 12 applications in memory, while on Moto X4, it was horrible. It couldn't even keep 8 applications in memory. So even in the memory management round, Redmi Note 5 Pro is the winner. By the way guys, even if you get the 4GB RAM variant of the Moto X4, results will be the same for the memory management, as it's a problem with software optimization. And it seems like memory management has become worse since the phone has been launched. So guys, in the speed test and memory management test, Redmi Note 5 Pro is the winner. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.